Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking and covering about AWS Glue data catalog. Now you can generate column level statistics to improve query performance. So let's take a look at the announcement and followed by a small hands-on lab. As you can see on the post on November 17, 2023, Glue catalog now supports generating column level statistics for AWS Glue tables. These statistics are now integrated with cost-based optimizer for Amazon Athena, Redshift Spectrum, resulting in improved query performance and potential cost savings. The best way to learn something is to try it out. So let's get started. So I'm on my personal AWS account, as you can see, and now I will be giving you a sample dataset. Drag the dataset on S3, click on upload, and now we have some fake data to play with. Okay. So now go to your dataset, click on the upper right hand side corner which says copy S3 URI. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to AWS Glue, click on database, click on add database, and let's call it sample DB. Okay. Click on create database. Okay. I'll remove the older one that I had. And then head over to the crawlers over here. Click on create crawler. I already have a crawler, so I'm just simply gonna edit this, and I'll put in my S3 path over there, right? So here, clicking on edit, okay, and then we'll paste the path where our sample dataset is. Click on update, next, give it a IAM role, and for the target database, we're gonna select sample DB. Click on next, review all the settings, and click on update. Now what we will do is we'll be running this Glue crawler. So click on run, and now the crawler must be in the running state, and I'll pause the video. I'll resume the video once the crawler is complete, because once the crawler is complete, it's gonna create a Glue table, right? And then we'll learn how to generate column stats on that. So my crawler looks like is now in the stopping state. So now if we head over to the database over here, as you can see on my screen, database sample DB. And here you can see that Glue table, right? If I click here, you'll see all the columns that I have. Now you will see a new option that says column statistics. Click on the button and click on generate statistics. You can either select a table in all columns or specified columns, all rows or sample rows. For the demo, I'm just gonna select sample rows, and I'm just gonna be like 10% and select the IAM role, and then click on generate statistics. Now the job is in the running state. Once the job is complete, you will see all the column statistics being populated on the Glue table. Okay, so let's wait for this to complete, and then I'm going to resume the video back. So my job is finally complete, and if you now head over to the table, which was probably dataset, so if I refresh here, right, now you'll be able to see all the column stats, right? When was it last updated, average length, distinct value, maximum length, null values, max value, min value, true value, and false value. And this is how you can generate column statistics. Just a note, this will not work for transactional data lake. Currently, not right now. Transactional data lake have its own way of generating column stats, such as Apache Hudi. You can generate these column stats by enabling Hudi's metadata. But I'll leave the video over here. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you have any further questions, do let me know your question in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the upcoming next video.